Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are so excited because we have another box that just landed from Cut Loose.
Welcome lovelies. Quite a big box, so I think there's quite a bit in it. And yeah, we are ready for some summer Cut Loose.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Yes.
This is the first shipment of the summer collection because they always do two, a spring and then a summer.
And a fall and a winter.
Yeah. Well, each season, I mean.
Yeah,
but yeah.
exactly. So look at you. You look fabulous.
Thank you. We're both wearing Ozayanku.
Yes.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah.
I love that. The dune or sand.
The dune.
This Sahara. So beautiful.
Earthy.
Earthy tones. And I love how you paired it up with the orange.
Nice, eh?
It's such a nice color orange.
It is.
It's like a subtle taupey orange. It's from Palo Trico.
Yeah.
And it's a great duster.
Yeah, it's got a lot of fabric and flowing in the wind because it's very fine, gauzy cotton.
Yeah.
And it's a lovely summer cover-up, right? Because it doesn't overheat you, but it's like a light cover-up.
Nice light cotton foil.
And yeah, the design
beautiful.
of this dress is
I know,
beautiful.
it's
I
one of
love
my
the
favorites.
length. And then this is a double weave. It's like a linen look. And then this is the beautiful cotton
Woven,
bottom,
yeah.
right? Or woven.
Yeah. Cute.
Love this one.
Cute from Majestic.
Yeah, I've been looking at this one, wanting to pair it up with something, and this.
Well, this is the perfect outfit.
Yeah, but in here are every color from the rainbow, but also
Little
the orange, the
wood
bird
pieces.
orange.
Yeah.
And then the Cericlio, artsy,
Yeah.
and beautiful Siska.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking of, like you put it so nicely together. We hope you enjoyed the video yesterday of Lousje doing the jewelry, different mix and matching, which is fun. And we find we try to carry in the boutique different brands, different varieties, so that different artists, so that you can really pair them up like it all goes, right?
That's right.
This is a new piece from Pursuit that we just got in, and I saw it in her collection and I thought, isn't it stunning?
Stunning.
And then the earrings to match, but they're off, like it's, and I just thought with this dress, there's so much print going on. So I thought that the round with I thought it was super cute.
I want to talk about our little scarf because this is a Lousje and Bean.
Yes.
This is a washable silk. Every time we make one, I send one to one of my sisters in the Netherlands, Tans.
Yeah.
She always, and she sends me pictures, she wears them all the time.
Yeah.
It's washable, and when you want to wear something in the summer and you don't want something warm, this is so light. And feathery and lovely.
It's beautiful.
And the colors, eh?
Yeah, we have a few colors right now. I think we have it in a blue tone as well
yes,
right now.
Yeah, we did 2 tones.
But we make those ourselves here in-house, which is exciting.
Very exciting.
All right, so I think Charlie's saying, get on with it, ladies. Open the box. We don't care. I'm just joking. All right, here we go, buddy. Look at how nicely he's sitting. He's so sweet. Lousje just said she wants to clip him, but I think he looks good. You're a handsome boy.
Yeah, maybe just a bath and tidy.
Yeah.
She shampoos him and blow dries him.
Tidy.
And then she trims a little bit here, right? And then he gets a bomb shave. And then he's good to go again. And a nail clip.
He's coming to stay with me when Lousje's in Holland. So I'm excited to have him. He always snuggles up with my daughter Ruby, though. He doesn't sleep with me.
No.
Which I'm okay with, because he Growls at me whenever I move.
Yeah, he lets you know.
He literally growls. He's
does.
like, this is my bed. Do not move.
It's so funny.
It is so funny. I'm
he's
like,
so docile during the day.
He's like a rock. He's like 100 pounds. Like he's like a lead bullet.
A lead bullet against your leg. And then when you want to turn around, he goes.
And then you're like, what? This is my bed. And then you kind of feel bad for him. But then you're like.
Yeah, he's particular about his spot on the bed.
I know, he can stay with Ruby. But I'm excited to walk him every morning.
Yeah.
Go on nice, beautiful walks.
Yeah.
The weather is amazing.
Oh, yeah.
All right, ladies, let's see what is in this beautiful box.
Ooh,
I
see
some
nice
print.
colors.
I see some print. Ooh, look how fun.
Fun.
Gorgeous colors.
Fun.
So this is a pant, elastic band.
Oh, a lantern pant.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the cut loose lantern, but then in this beautiful sort of tencel fabric almost.
Fabulous.
Nice and light.
Love. Love, love, love.
And of course, black. What is it? Oh, pants as
different
well.
pant.
A different pant.
A different style. Oh, this is nice too.
Slash pockets.
Yeah, and it's nice. It's a wider, straight leg, but not as wide.
No.
because it's like a medium wide.
Yeah, you don't want it too wide.
Nice.
Well, wide is really nice, but
wide is great.
Yeah, it is great. Not for everything always, but I think what we paired these up with, it's perfect. Look at this.
Oh my!
What a color too, eh?
Oh, I love it.
So that's a one size.
Beautiful.
Shirt, tunic.
Look at this blind. They call this a blind closure, so you don't see the buttons.
Yeah.
And then the cuffs.
Beautiful.
I think it has pockets.
Yes. Lots of room.
And this is good length. Like you could wear this without a bottom.
Yep.
Or you could wear it with leggings or a tank dress or pants, right?
Yep.
Beautiful length.
Very easy. You could wear it open as a duster.
Yeah. So this is a free size.
Yes.
Oh!
I know.
Well, that's your color.
I know. This is the cosmic color. It's almost like a pinky purple.
Oh, Tessa, this is
I know. I
stunning.
love it.
Oh,
I'd like to style that one, please.
Yes.
We're going to style these up over the next few days.
You usually get your way, so, you know.
That's not true. That's hilarious. She always makes me look so bad, ladies, on the videos, but she
Listen,
is
that is not true. I've praised you all the time. I
No,
say, what
I
a
know,
nice daughter she
always
is.
says,
Right, Charlie?
It's
I
all
know.
about you. It's the Tessa show.
Well, that is, I'm not going to dispute that.
Job. All right, here we go. What is this?
This is,
Ooh, cute.
Top. Oh, it's a high-low.
High-low.
Oh, wow. Adorable. Oh,
And look at the
back.
detail. Oh,
Little
yeah.
pleats. Love.
Beautiful.
And look at the little curls. Oh, this is like a knit band.
Knit curled hem.
Unfinished.
On the bottom,
and then
too.
the bottom too.
And then the little cap sleeves, which we love. Speaking of,
Darling little
I
cap.
have this dress. I absolutely love this dress with the little cap sleeves.
They're
This is the
beautiful.
Ozian Coup. So comfy, ladies. It's nice to have a little cap sleeve in the summer.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh.
where are you going?
You can't. You're not
You're
allowed.
not,
you
you
have
want
to
to stay?
stay.
You have them chained to the couch. So here is that adorable top in this beautiful gray,
yes.
which could go with the pants,
It's a
actually, with the
taupey.
print.
The print.
Super
Where's the
cool.
print? Oh,
yeah, look at
Oh,
exactly.
yeah.
And that's so
Beautiful.
nice about cut loose. They cut and sew first, and then they dye everything, so you have the same dye lot when you order.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's all matching. Yeah. And then here is
Oh, another color for you.
yeah, marbled crop top.
Oh.
There's the boxy crop top.
One free size.
Yeah, free
right?
size, so probably like a 2 to 18, 20.
You know, I have a few pieces of this fabric, because this fabric they bring almost every summer.
They
collection.
do in different prints
It's
and colors.
when it's hot, and we're gonna get a hot summer again. I just read something
Oh
on
yeah,
the weather.
that's exciting.
Oh,
Crystal
really?
Beach, here we come.
well, anyway, with super hot days, this is your go-to because it's
So nice
You
and
feel
light.
it's so it breathes.
You're
it's
covered,
beautiful.
but it's
I
light.
love it.
Yeah,
I love it.
Beautiful.
And if it's a cooler day, you can layer it with a little jacket, and it's great for layering too,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. So I believe that's the watermelon color, and then this is the salmon color.
Oh, nice. It's a little softer.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, beautiful.
And you could wear it with the plain black pants.
totally,
Totally. With a pair of jeans.
yeah.
And one more color.
Linen pants.
Black
Yeah.
linen. Our jazz pants.
Yeah.
That'd be fun. Look at this color, eh?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
what
matches
do they call
Charlie.
this,
I think this
Tessa?
should be Charlie's top.
What do they call this color? Oh, cashew.
Oh, cashew.
Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
yeah. So we had the cashew linen pants
did.
in the fall, for the spring, sorry.
Exactly.
So those will match those, ladies. So if you already bought
If
the
you own the cashew pants.
the linen cashew pants,
Yeah.
those will match them.
Yeah.
There's always a rhyme to our reason. Hey, Mom. We
Yeah.
always try to make it all
Totally.
jive
This is
together.
Beautiful.
I know. Midnight.
Oh, this
Or
is
night
stunning.
sky, I believe they call it.
Very
Yeah,
dramatic.
beautiful. Yeah, Cut Loose does a beautiful navy. It's so gorgeous.
It's absolutely stunning.
Yeah, and I love this print too. They call it the marble print. It's so classy, eh? It's very classic. Look at black and white.
Oh.
So this is that
the
shirt. Do you remember?
Yeah,
I think you
the
have it in
shirt.
a few.
I do. And I wear it still every summer. I pull it out.
Remember they did it in that seersucker fabric?
Exactly,
Yeah.
yeah.
Is that the one you have?
No, I
Joan has that, doesn't she?
Yeah. But the back, great detail, cute little
so
pleat.
cute.
Longer in the back, right? This beautiful cuff. Yeah,
That'd be
it's
great over the tank dress too.
Oh
eh?
yeah.
Yeah, we have to make more tank dresses.
Open as we do.
Yeah, wearing it open too,
With
belted.
belts.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
Okay, one more, and it is the salmon color.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Gorgeous.
Very beautiful.
So we have the salmon skirt in here.
Yes, we do.
So that would be beautiful too.
And this fabric, amazing for washing, right?
Yeah, travel washing, hey? Roll it. Roll all your clothes, ladies, when you travel. When I just went away, you just roll it. You can tuck it.
Roll?
So, oh yeah, because you fit so much in there. And then when you get there right away, you just hang it out, and it's perfect.
Yeah.
No fold lines.
No,
no,
you can
it doesn't
fit
bulk
more
it up.
when you roll. You can tuck it all in.
So much, yeah. All right, so that is our first delivery of our summer cut loose. So exciting! And the next 2 days, me and Lousje are gonna style them up for you.
I can't wait.
I can't wait either. And don't forget, ladies, on Thursday we're having a little fun day here for Kate in honor of her going on her maternity leave. We cannot wait to meet this little baby. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl. What do you think? You don't know?
No.
So when she was first pregnant, I thought girl, because I just feel like I see Kate with a girl. But as I see her developing and her little baby, cutie baby bump, I think she's gonna have a boy.
I don't know. Why would people guess this?
Why not? It's kind of fun. Will you give me $20 if it's a boy?
No, like when I
want to make a bet.
It's so funny.
I always do that with my kids, and then they never pay me, but I have to pay them always.
Yeah, of course you do.
All right, ladies. Bye. Well, we'll see you Thursday in the boutique or online. We're going to have some sales that day. Kate's picking her 10 favorite pieces in the boutique that are going on sale Thursday only for 24 hours, so watch out for that. Please hit a thumbs up on our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Oh, there's a dog walking by. So we can reach our content to more beautiful women like you.
Keep on smiling.